different types of ways to play dhin. In Kaidas, tin na kena, dhin na kena is always done out here. Okay? Which we did today, right?
Yeah.
In Tekas, which means the patterns that you play for the actual tal.
The opposite, like.
No, you play it on the inside.
Can I finish
Come here.
explaining?
You're just being obnoxious.
Can I finish
Stop
explaining?
with it.
Opposite.
Stop with your legs.
So the other way to play dhin, when you're playing tals, which means the patterns that you play for tin tal, dadra, rupa, kerwa. So if you're just showing somebody what the tal is, Avish,
Yeah.
what are you doing? When you're showing somebody what the tal is, dha, din, na. Show Abhishek.
So
tell
instead
me,
of the
what is
outside.
Come here.
the notes? Just tell me the notes.
Let him speak. No, don't ask questions.
The tal for the teka for dadra is dha, din, na, dha, tin, na. It's very simple.
Instead of putting it like on the outside.
I'll show you how to
do it
play
on
it.
the
First
inside.
say it. First say it. Dha, din, na,
Da, din, na,
dha, tin, na.
da, tin, na.
Okay, so that's 6 beats. Okay? This is how you count dadra. Count Abhishek. Dha, din, na, dha, dha, tin, na. Again. Dha, din, na, dha, tin, na. Got it? You want to say it?
It's easy to count, but then
Da,
Din, na, da, tin,
tin,
na.
na. There you go. Simple enough, right?
Yeah.
This is the simplest tal you'll have.
Except
It's only 6 beats
yeah, that's the thing.
and only 2
But then
the
the
bars.
whole
whole like
thing?
more notes in it, it's gonna get like harder.
You can, yeah, there's
Wait,
a lot
the
of
whole thing
patterns
is
you can
only-
do.
The
That's,
whole thing is only 16.
yeah, so like tin tal is how many?
Oh, 16.
16. So dadra is the other extreme. It's 6 beats, right? This is the whole thing.
Yeah, and then it's gonna get harder to swim.
So how do you play it? Dha, you know dha, right? Dha. Play dha.
Oh.
Play dha. Dha. So now din. Okay, so dha is played where? On the kinan, which is out here, right? Din is played on the edge of the shai. Not on the shai, just the edge of the shai. There you go. Now
So
your
like
ring,
right there.
so your ring finger.
It's like my finger should hit like right
Right.
there.
Can I finish? Your ring finger is still down on the tabla. Okay?
Come here, look.
Da, din.
Okay.
Can you hear the difference first of
Yeah.
all?
Yeah.
Okay? There's a slight difference, right? In tone.
The second one's a little more like lower pitch.
Yeah, it's a little different sound. So this one's a little sharper sound. So dha, din, na, dha, tin, na. So your tin and din are not here like they are in the kaidas. Tin, na, ke, na. Right?
Yeah.
Same note, you say it the same way.
Yeah.
But you're not playing the same note. You're playing it here. Okay? Da, din, na, da, tin, na. The reason is because if you do it this way, it's too loud. It sounds like a bell, and you don't want that. Like when you're playing a fast take on, da, din, da, da, din, da, da, din, da, da, din, da, it would be a little. Okay, it's a little too much each time. Okay, so you gotta learn this different din first, and then you just play da, din, na, da, din, na, da, din, na, da, din, na.
Oh, you want to teach us something?
So din is the same, the left hand is the same. Kabir. Din still has to go like this. Din. Play it. Try it. Din. Just like na, just like dha and na. Okay, you just gotta keep your ring finger down. There you go. There you go. Now try to make a difference between na and tin. Kabir. Abhishek.
Yeah.
So na and tin, right?
It's
Show me
like-
na
it's like-
and tin.
It's like da, but instead of using doing K to K.
Yeah, exactly. But the main difference is between na and tin. Try to practice that. So don't move your finger up too much. Don't move your finger up too much. You don't like move your hand and everything. Okay. So one thing you can do is bend this finger more. The can bend the ring finger a little bit, which automatically, if you bend the ring finger a little bit, you notice how your hand pulls up.
Yeah.
Your hand's going to pull up a little bit, right? And that's enough. Just that little bend is enough to play thin properly, okay? So here's ta or na, and here's thin, okay? All I did was bend this finger and the whole arm slides like half-inch forward. That's all you need to do.
Kabir, can you try it? See what it feels like?
No, I don't need to bend it.
How?
The other thing you can do is just move the finger slightly forward.
Okay.
But what if you just went like this?
You, what? Oh, you're saying,
I'm not bending.
you're saying instead of moving this at all, you just go like this?
Yeah, I'm not.
So the problem with that is, I mean, depends on your hand, I suppose. Some people have a longer, like, first finger.
Yeah.
Like my first finger is a little shorter than my ring finger.
Yeah.
Some
Mine's
people
not
actually
long.
have it the longer.
Mine's longer.
Is it?
Mine
So-
was longer than my ring finger.
Yours is
Mine.
about the same, I think.
Mine's
So,
longer.
all right. So you can try it different ways, but you get a little more control if you use your ring finger.
It looks like my ring finger.
Because you don't want to get in the habit of like shifting your finger like left and right. That's going to be hard to control. I mean, I guess it could be done, but you know, ultimately
Yeah.
it's...
I guess
what's
I can play
comfortable for you.
different because
So try different
I have a
ways.
long
Try
finger.
different ways.
Kabir, what are you doing?
Okay? So you guys practice that too at home. Da, din, da, din, da, da. We'll do variations on it next week.
yeah.
Da, da, din, da,
Oh,
da,
why
da, din, da,
Why can you run the Tiragita?
da.
The Tiragita? Tiragita.
Did it? Yeah, we'll get to it. We'll get a kite out of it. Practice that.
Sounds good.
First things first. Okay, so this kaida is important. It's a lot of stuff going on in there. So this week, I want you to practice those phrases. Dhage na, take na, right?
Okay.
Ditto, take
So
na.
can I just like read it
Ditto.
but not play it? That's the help.
No, you gotta do everything. You gotta
Alright.
practice the phrases, play the phrases, play the kaida, memorize the kaida, right? Kabir, take some time and practice it today, this week,
What are you doing, Kabir?
right?
I was practicing it on
Why aren't you asking? Are you all set? What do you know? What you're doing for homework?
Opportunity.
practice doing the
Do you know what you're practicing? Any questions?
and the ta 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 and then
So memorize the kaida, and every phrase in that kaida, you gotta practice it,
I
okay?
don't think I have it in my notebook.